Types of organisms: unicellular organisms, multicellular organisms. In unicellular organisms, a single cell may constitute a whole organism. Example: amoeba, chlamydomonas, paramecium and bacteria. In multicellular organism, many cells group together in a single body and assume different functions in it to form various body parts. Example: some fungi, plants and animals. Each living cell has the capacity to perform certain basic functions that are characteristic of all living forms, that is, cells of heart to pump blood, cells of stomach to digest food, etc. Each cell contains certain specific components within it, known as cell organelles. Each kind of cell organelle performs a special function, such as making new material in the cell, clearing up the waste material from the cell, etc.